Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Once Human on Android device. Whether you are using your mobile device or your tablets, this process will help you out, and to start with Once Human. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is done, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the search button. In the search bar at the top, type in Once Human and search. Once you're inside this game info section, go ahead and tap on the install button to start downloading the app on your Android. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes, and once it is done, you can tap the play button to start the game. So there you have it, that is how you can download the Once Human game on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.